Hello. Today we will be discussing 3 media and technology tools that can support content, skill development, engagement, as well as support student learning and relate to the humanities content areas. Our first resource is Nearpod. Nearpod is an online teaching platform that allows educators to create interactive lessons that include interactive slides and videos, gamification, activities, as well as assessments. Nearpod is flexible to be used for in-person instruction as well as distance learning or even in a hybrid model of instruction. The interactive nature of this platform helps keep students engaged with the learning material while allowing for student interaction as they progress through the lessons at the educator's discretion. This resource allows educators the freedom to include whatever materials, media, activities, and assessments they wish. As seen in a study by the Journal of Education and Learning, the current results generally show that the features of the Nearpod to present and ask questions in real-time assessments were reported by students as the most things which encourage them to involve in learning activities in the classroom. In addition, the way how the Nearpod controls materials helped me as a lecturer and the students to facilitate performing the learning tasks during the lecturing time. The way of Nearpod to control learning activities helped to engage all students in the class and control the learning materials presented to them. Furthermore, Nearpod can be used to support instructors to involve students in active learning by presenting different learning tasks and learning materials even in large classes. Our second resource is Achieve 3000 Literacy Program. Achieve 3000 Literacy is a reading intervention program that meets students where they are in terms of reading level and works towards their current grade level. Achieve 3000 Literacy provides differentiated instruction through interactive readings within fiction, nonfiction, or even poetry materials. This resource provides new relevant content each week, as well as support for special needs students and even Spanish translation. Assessment data is provided to educators as well as which can help educators to tailor their approach in class towards their student-specific needs. A study conducted by the University of Wisconsin showed that the findings of this study provide evidence that students participating in the Achieve 3000 programs had statistically higher California Standard Test English Language Arts outcomes relative to a well-matched comparison group of similar students. After 1 year of implementation in Chula Vista, California School District, this result is particularly engaging since the statistically significant difference favoring the program group holds even after controlling for students' various backgrounds, including ethnicity, gender, students' socioeconomic status, and their language status. And finally, our last resource is PBS NewsHour Classroom. The PBS NewsHour Classroom provides students with accessible content while catering to their attention spans. This resource also promotes student engagement and opportunities for discussions on current events. As noted by the National Council of Social Studies, addressing current events, particularly those that are controversial, can help students unpack conflicting beliefs and approach those issues in a more reasoned way. Discussions of current events teach students how to engage in effective conversations about things that matter in their lives. To do so, students need classroom opportunities to research current and controversial issues in their local communities, country, and the world, and to come to defensible opinions and feasible solutions. Now that we have discussed these resources, please consider the value in using them to help your students achieve their learning goals in your classroom. The following were the references used in this informational video.